So good morning. Chemistry second year, English medium. Unit is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Topic is commercially important alcohols. So let's see the commercially important alcohols. Already in the previous class we discussed the chemical properties of alcohols. Then let's see the commercially important alcohols. Then the commercially important alcohols are here is a two are they are is a methyl alcohol or methanol, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. So let's see the here is a methyl alcohol or methanol. Then so it is also known as wood spirit. Wood spirit was produced by destructive distillation of wood. Okay, so methanol or methyl alcohol or CH3OH is also known as wood spirit, so which was synthesized by destructive distillation of wood. Then yes, nowadays it is produced by catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide at a high pressure and temperature in presence of zinc oxide and chromium oxide catalyst. Zinc oxide and chromium oxide catalyst. Okay, so this is the catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide. Then carbon monoxide, when it is treated with hydrogen in presence of zinc oxide and chromium oxide mixture at a high pressure and temperature, nearly it is a 200 to 300 atmosphere pressures, 573 to 673 Kelvin. Nearly the temperature is what 300 to 400 degrees centigrade temperature. Then yes, what here is a catalytic hydrogenation. By means of catalytic hydrogenation, simply is a carbon monoxide is converted into methyl alcohol or methanol. Okay, then so let's see properties of methanol. So CH3OH is a colorless liquid and boils at 337 kelvins. 337 kelvins. Okay, then next one is it is highly poisonous in nature. So when compared with the ethyl alcohol, methanol or methyl alcohol is highly poisonous. Its boiling point is also less when compared with ethyl alcohol. Okay, then yes, ingestion in small quantities of methanol can cause blindness and large quantities cause even death. Okay, then yes, so here is this wood spirit or methyl alcohol, when it is taken as a drink in small quantities, it causes blindness. Suppose if it is taking in excess amount as a drink, then what happens? It causes even death also. That's why it is a methyl alcohol is poisonous. Okay, poisonous. Then yes, its importance. Methyl alcohol is used as solvent in paints, varnishes and chiefly for making a formaldehyde. So methanol or methyl alcohol it is used as solvent in paint industry and varnishes. Then next one, in general it is very important application of methyl alcohol is to synthesize the formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde. Industrially, it can be used to synthesize. There is a formaldehyde. So this is about there is a methyl alcohol or methanol. Okay, or wood spirit. Then next one, let's see the another commercially important alcohol is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Yes, ethyl alcohol, it is also here is a colorless liquid. Then it is obtained commercially by fermentation. The oldest method is from sugars. Okay, then so ethyl alcohol or ethanol, it is synthesized by fermentation process. Yes, here is a fermentation process. In general, it is for this source is what sugars. Okay, when sugars undergoes fermentation, then here is a ethyl alcohol is obtained. Then so what are the sources for sugars is, then here is a molasses. Then next one is here is what then fruits, especially here is a grapes. Okay, grapes, these are the sources for sugars. Okay, then yes, when there is a sugar, so grapes or molasses, they are very rich for here is a sugar. When sugar is what a C12H22O11, sucrose. Okay, the sucrose involved in hydrolysis, especially here is a invertase enzyme. Then so this sucrose molecule undergoes here is a hydrolysis. Then what happens, here is a glucose and fructose molecules are formed. Glucose and fructose both are having same molecular formula, but they differ in functional group. So glucose is having here is a aldehyde functional group, then yes, here is a fructose is having the keto functional group, but they are having same molecular formula. Okay, then next one, in presence of invertase enzyme, this is sugar undergoes here is a hydrolysis and forms the glucose and fructose. Okay, glucose and fructose. Then so this glucose and fructose involved in the fermentation process in presence of zymase enzyme, which is the source of yeast. Okay, zymase enzyme, it is available in yeast. Then in presence of zymase enzyme, the glucose and fructose involved in fermentation process, then here is a ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide is formed. Then basically fermentation reaction, the process in which here is a there is no here is a oxygen. Okay, yes, here is a in the absence of, so fermentation process is carried out in the absence of oxygen. Then simply is a sugar, is a glucose and glucose is a forms the is a ethyl alcohol, and the byproduct is CO2. CO2 in general in fermentation process, CO2 gas is evolved. Then next one, let's see the here is a properties. Here is a ethyl alcohol. In general, here is a ethyl alcohol is colorless liquid. Then when compared with here is methanol, so it is having a high boiling point. Then so nearly here is a 78.3 degree centigrade. Okay, then next here is a ethanol or ethyl alcohol is used as solvent in paints industry and many of the organic compounds preparation. Okay, ethyl alcohol in general, it is used as a laboratory reagent, that is a solvent for many organic reactions. Then and also it is used in paints industry. Then next one, here is a ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is mixed with copper sulfate and pyridine. Then yes, what happens, this process is called as denaturation of alcohol. Denaturation of alcohol means what? When alcohol is mixed with the copper sulfate and pyridine. Okay, the foul odor, yes, it is having foul odor. Then this process is called as a denaturation of alcohol. This commercial alcohol is unfit to drink, only just it is used as here is a solvent. Then yes, this is about here is a commercially important alcohols.